Let's see how we can enable replication in MongoDB. So let me quickly install the MongoDB using my curl command. Download Linux version of 3.0.1. So let me create a file called tz. So you can install that, as I mentioned in my earlier session. So once we install this, it will create a folder called under this you see a folder called bin. So you have all the utilities. Start the okay. So let's start a replica set of 3 members, and this is the command to do that. So MongoDB replica set. So you can give your replica set name and the database path. So this is the path I want to store. So ideally you should create this replica set in 3 different nodes and 3 different servers. So but I wanted to show here in single server, so with the different port numbers. So I'm just mentioning 270.11.12.13 as my port numbers. So ideally, as I mentioned, ideally it should be started on 3 different servers with the same port or different port. It's up to you. Okay. So since we are starting this 3 services in the same server, I'm just creating 3 different folders. So here I'm just doing mk data. So data is already present. So first replica set member, second replica set member, third replica set member. Okay. So let me start this. Let me start other 2 services as well. So now we see 3 services running on the server. Okay, let's see. So let me connect to any of the service, so that I'll make this service as this instance as a primary. So connect to any of the service that you want to make that node as a primary. Do rs.initiate. So that will make your instance as a primary, so you can see it. So then add other members to, so other 2 members to this node, so that this 270.12 is it will become a secondary. Okay. So now if you do rs.status, so you see two services. One is the primary, 270.11 is my primary server, and 270.12 is my secondary. So similar way I can add the third one. rs.add is the command to add nodes to the existing replica set members. You have to mention your host name, colon, the port number. So as soon as you add this, so initially it will come to startup status, and after syncing the data from the primary to here, so that will become a secondary. Okay, this become a secondary now. Okay. Now fine. Okay. So try to insert some data in the primary node and check whether it's created or not. Okay, let me switch to dbversity and insert some data db.versity. I'm sorry for the database called dbversity db, and also a collection called dbversity. Okay, so you see dbversity collection here. So let's connect to the secondary node and check the db whether it is replicated or not. So to query on the secondary directly, you have to mention rs.slave. Okay, so just remember that. So you cannot directly query on the secondary server. Now you see dbversity underscore db. Okay, so let's connect to there and check whether the data is replicated or not. You cannot actually apply all the commands, and it is tab enabled queries, so you don't need to type all the query. Okay, so let me query db.collection.find. Okay, the data is inserted here, and let's check the third secondary rs.slave. Okay, and switch to database. That's it. So the data is replicated. So we'll see further what we can do with the replica set members in the next session. Thank you.